Hi, this is Taryn Grome, editor of Pharma Voice. We met with numerous inspirational thought leaders at this year's DIA annual conference as part of our Editors Take Video series. I hope you enjoy this discussion.
In this episode, Taryn meets with Jill McGuinn, Vice President, Biotechnology Strategy, INC Research.
Hi Jill, welcome to the 2016 DIA annual conference.
Thanks for having me here.
Jill, what are some of the unique challenges biotechnology companies face?
Other than the obvious of promoting your science and raising funds, I would say the startup activities are really difficult. For a biotech, most of them have either come from the industry or they're new to the industry, and so they may have, I would say, setting up their clinical development strategy, deciding what to outsource, what to insource, coming up with their SOP templates, request of information, request for proposal, all of the stuff that you either took advantage of at a big pharma institution and now you're in a biotech and you don't have these templates or you don't have these resources, and it all sort of falls on to the head of clinical operations or development at that biotech. And then I would also say selecting the right CRO, feeling like you picked a partner that's going to work best with you from a scientific and operational expertise.
What are some of the strategies INC Research is employing to address this challenge?
INC Research would like to be the CRO of choice for the biotech community. We've invested in a global consulting unit that can help you strategize what to insource and outsource, develop your clinical development and regulatory strategies, and decide what markets you'd like to enter. We have a commercialization development for your target product profile in case you need to seek additional funding or seek a partner in big pharma or medium-sized pharma. In addition, we could also we can help with your quality management system. So if you forgot an SOP template or you need assistance, we can provide that for you and help write and design it to your insourcing and outsourcing strategy. We also have a rare disease consortium that has scientific and medical experts in all types of rare disease and pediatric indications, biosimilars, and medical technology devices. In addition, we also invested in a biotech strategist who is constantly looking at the ways that we're working so we can remain flexible and nimble in our biotech platform solutions.
Finally, in your opinion, what are one or two keys to a successful and sustainable CRO biotech partnership?
So, outside the obvious of transparency and honesty and selecting the right scientific and operational team, I would say strategizing up front for a good collaboration effort and deciding and sticking to it what you're going to hold each other accountable for is the best way to go. In my 18 plus years in the pharmaceutical industry, I've been on many challenging development plans, and some have have had issues in time, delivery, and cost. But if you pick a good team and you can sit down and collaborate with each other and really work towards a solution instead of creating an accountability and a blame game, unfortunately, time and cost could be an effect. But in reality, if you could work together to devise a solution and innovate with an innovative team, you pretty much can get to the end point. And the most important thing is to deliver your science to the market. But I think if you really collaborate well with your CRO partner and you feel a strong sense that you selected the right partner, there's really no problem that you can't overcome.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
For more information on this topic, visit our Thought Leaders website.
For more Editors Take Videos from the DIA annual conference, visit www.pharmavoice.com. Thanks for joining us.